Okay. Hello guys, welcome to Vitex Communication. Here's a part 3 of fault in a mobile phone. What you are seeing there is a complete screen and touch. We are still using the Techno KE5 or the Spark Go. When your screen is faulty, the screen will not be displaying well. It will be displaying white. Or if it is broken, just note that your screen is broken. You can't see anything inside. But for the touchpad, it will be hanging when you are touching. It will be malfunctioning when you are touching. And another one, it will not touch properly. When you notice something like that, just note that your touchpad is damaged. If it is phone like a Hot 6, KA7, Spark 4 that come with glass, if the glass is broken, just note that that glass is faulty. So take note of that one. Another one is your sensor. The sensor, not the, the sensor, not the calibrator meaning. The sensor. So if your sensor has problem, if you want to make call, it will just dim off as if you put the phone in your ear. So when you notice something like that, just know that your sensor is having problem. This one, as we are seeing here, is speaker. Speaker enable you to hear music, to make call, to watch video and so on. If it is faulty, one, it will be cracking when you are playing music or making call. Secondly, it will not talk at all, or it will be talking in a very low tone. So when you notice something like that, just note that your speaker is having problem. Another one is battery clip. That is the battery clip of this phone. If it is faulty, one, it will make your phone not to on. Secondly, it might make the phone to hot, or it might be killing the battery. When you notice something like that, just note that your battery connector is faulty. This one here that the screen is on, that one is a screen clip. It is a clip that holds both the screen and the touch. So when it is faulty, your screen will not display, or it might be displaying white, or it might be displaying broken inside. So when you notice something like that, don't note that, just note that your screen clip is faulty. The next one there is your fingerprint clip. If it is faulty, one, your fingerprint will not display. When you are tapping your fingerprint to open your phone or to unlock anything, it will not display. And again, when you go to the setting, you will not see any fingerprint option there. So when you notice something like this, just check your fingerprint clip. The next one is the camera clip. If the camera clip is bad, your camera cannot display. Take note of that one. Look at this one here. Down is the network antenna too. It helps to drag network from the down panel to your phone. Look at where it is clipped. Look at it. So if it is damaged, it will be very difficult for your phone to drag network. Look at this flex. That one is your earpiece flex. It is your earpiece flex. If it is damaged, you can't hear somebody when you are making call. Yes, you can't hear somebody when you are making call. That is the earpiece flex. Yeah. This one too is the network flex too. If it is damaged too, you might be having problem in your network. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. You can still be doing more research concerning fault on mobile phone. This is not all the fault in mobile phone. This is just the one I just want to present to you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Vitex Communication. See you in my next video. Turn on your notification bell to get notified when we drop important GSM repair content like this. Bye. Lots of love. See you in my next video.